Good morning everyone and welcome to the channel. As usual, I am now at this time today looking at gold US dollar. You tell me everyone, how was your weekend? Was it good? Did you enjoy your weekend? How was your weekend? And how was your last week? This is today, so Friday, Thursday, then Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Pretty much previous week was a Fibonacci week. Have a look at it. 61.8% retracement. See. But the whole plan, my friends, it did not complete. And then that's why I tell you that understand my strategy. Okay. So my point of view became bearish from right here as per my strategy. Okay. Now I will be zooming in. We are studying, the past a little bit. Because my friends, without studying the past, things will be slightly complicated. Okay. I mean, not more, but slightly it will become complicated. So we as a forex trader needs to stay properly in discipline to keep us and ourselves safe from any type of market trap or anything like that, anything that is not good for our account. So this previous week, then see, I treated this separately and this became our 618. This tiny area you see, and what I said was, see this and understand this, my friends. This as a separate impulsive wave and treated this as a normal correction before it continue further up and match with this one. So let me also, because after this it was supposed to be as this. See, understand it, okay? These are repetitive patterns regularly appearing in on those charts, in these charts, as this, okay? And right here, what happened is that the emotional trader is lost forever, because when it broke, there was no need to look for buying opportunities, okay? And then along with this, since you know this, in market we also have, see, like this, understand it, okay, as this, it was as this. So these traders got enough profits, plenty of the profits, and I obviously discussed this pattern as this previous week, the whole week, in the live streams and everywhere. And the market is still holding this area, and if I extend it, the situation will be as this. See, okay? Along the way, when people know that this is now a verified resistance, what they did is, I'm changing the color of the line, okay? What they did is, because till at this stage, then everyone knew that okay, the market got bearish, okay? I will be explaining it, stay with me. Here I also get trapped right here on a sell while the market was bullish on that M30, if you remember. So the traders further traded it as this and treated this as a separate 618 kind of stuff. My friends, these traders also got their profits from the market, okay? And when it was happening, see, everyone got profit from the market. Now you just see and look at this particular one and understand it as this. No one is going to tell you these things. Understand it right now. Look at this picture and understand this plan. And not just the plan. See how market is turning to the sell point. So these turning levels, you know, this is my purpose of coming live right here, to show you these things. See, now my friends, if a person is only bullish, okay, if I'm launching my pen a little bit, epic pen, I'm speaking but I haven't checked the stream health yet. Okay, who is with me in the chat? I will be answering to your questions as well. Make sure to take more part in the stream. So yes, my friends, understand it this way. Okay, now I will be using my pen a little bit, and so you finally understand that what actually in these markets is going on. But you don't see the market this way. Okay. See, this was a nice. I am now highlighting the tradable areas. This was tradable. How? And this was tradable. How? Market go up from here, swing low, swing high, came back down. People saw on the Fibonacci, bought, exited near the next Fibonacci. Where is the next Fibonacci now? Here. Sorry, here. As this. Remember, two stories always going on in the market 90% of the times. So see dear, this was a to the buy side tradable. Why? Because between 261.8% retracement. This is such a concept, my friend, that is going to change your life forever. I can promise you this. If you follow it correctly, I am sure it is going to change your life. So this is then the market became bearish. Then on Friday I took a buy as well, but that didn't work. Then I uploaded a short video in which I indicated that now the market is obviously, this is a very beautiful plan. I'm not teasing around with that. Let's now again do it on right here. So as obviously per that particular plan, now market seems doing this. Okay, doing it, not doing it, that is the market's own choice, but at least when it broke this particular trend line, this particular one to the downside, this is now going to be our next weekly resistance, sort of, not very too long term, but sort of, just on the basis of this trend line, nothing very fancy. See, one trend got broken, the other market go back up, we again sell, because obviously now maybe as far as it is trading below 4630, let me write down, not a trading signal. Okay, this is 4630. So as far as on the daily time frame, which time frame is this? Let me check. This is daily. Yes, daily. On the daily time frame, it will be showing this level. What is this level? This level is 3767. So if we sum up, let's say make it yes 4630 till 3730, make it, let's say Okay, 37.67 it shows, but remember 46.30 and 37.30, make it as this round number. As far as this market is trading below this 46.30, it will be coming down to 37.30. So higher structure is obviously shifting, but it doesn't mean bulls will not be appearing, my friend. Bulls appear everywhere. Coming on to this present market, well, present market is very nice, but I have to see and find out for the structure. So obviously the least thing, let's see, okay, 44.32. Let's study 44.32 area a little bit, and let's study this. If this market became bullish, if yes, how? Obviously we need to find out that how markets get bullish and how they become bearish. Well, preferably I will say let's wait a little bit on the 15-minute. Something good inshallah we are going to get today. Market is finally very much peaceful right now. Who is with me in the chat? No one? Great. See, market is a thing of patience. Only patience is going to save us. Otherwise, there is nothing that can save us from this brutal market. We need to understand it. Most out of you loses money, a lot of the money on regular basis. Keep bringing in this market and keep losing right here. Keep bringing a lot of the money into this market and then you lose. A lot of money you have spent on the prop firm challenges, but nothing is getting out of it. Prop firm, this is yet another new modern age addiction, I should say. Seems breaking up, but let's see. See, my purpose right here to come live is not so that I prove something, or Based on the Friday's analysis, I took this, okay, after even being stopped out by the market. After that, I'm taking this trade rest. We will see what it gives me. Huge trade it is, as a holding trade. Otherwise, this much of a stop loss is also enough for this one. It makes sense, but like it can hit very quickly. So yes, let's see the rally. If it gives me this rally, my account position can go again a little bit good. You know, we need to take this forex market very serious. If we don't get serious, you know, we don't like reality. Honestly, I'm telling you, okay, we guys, we don't like people, I should say, people don't like realities. Okay, people like fantasies, imagination. These things people are always running for, the traders, I mean. Wherever there is a hype, wherever someone is saying, hey, come here, I'm making you rich, the traders will be running there. But they don't see that bigger hole that is prepared for them. Fine. Patience, then, my friends, patience matter a lot. Most people come to the charts, look at it right here, observe the market slightly. They find opportunity and avail it. And most people are like always living in uncertainty. So why? This is life. If now you don't enjoy, if now you spend all of your precious hours just in stress, then my friend, time is not stopping for you. Do you think time is stopping? No. The moment that you have right now, you can like spend it on a lot of the other things for happiness. So why spend that time in the stress? And obviously stress appears because not understanding the market. You maybe perhaps you have heard from someone's mouth that oh, come here, forex is this and that and that. My friend, what do you think of forex? What do you think? You just heard somewhere, you saw some videos and put $10,000 in the account and you just blow it? Who told you? Who told you to put without understanding? Tell me. See, from around 17th of April, I'm live streaming. Okay, I'm showing you the trades right here as well. Their take profits get hit, their TPs get hit. I mostly close them manually in profits. 98% of my trades are manually closed. That's my style of for the take profits. This is my personal style. So my friends, if over time you don't develop your style, your trading style, then why you trade it? See, most of you are going to be later like facing your relatives and this and that. If you don't learn how you face them, you tell them, oh, I was getting a little bit FOMO. They will laugh at you. If you tell them I'm getting a little, they will say, are you a child or like what? Why you get a FOMO? because obviously the normal people, they doesn't know that these revenge trades and these FOMO, this is part of this market. It will be there, but they don't understand. Now if you try to sit with them and try to understand them, then that is again a big headache for you. So if you have money, my friend, I will say, and I must say, invest it somewhere that you can get some profits out of it, and get out of, I request to all of you, get out of this dilemma of growing the account. I have grown this much account. I have grown this much account. Oh, very nice. Oh, I have grown. I have grown 1000 into 5k. I have grown 5k into 500,000. Oh, was that? That was real. Oh, I have do this. What is this, my friend? Get out of these accounts. And another thought process. There, the account is 5k. Oh, very, very nice. I started with 1k. It is and now 5k. Oh, I'm so lucky. Oh, wow. Next one, I'm gonna make it 15k, my friend. Yeah. This is the traders talking with himself. 15k. Yeah. And by chance, if that become 15k, the person say, "Oh, now my friend, I'm gonna buy my city. Maybe perhaps I will become the prime minister of my country." Oh, why? Because in the imagination, when you give wrong food to your mind, it will just race towards that. And then the 15k, because by taking 1k account to a 5k, or let's say 5k into a 15k, when it reaches to a 15k, by the time it reaches 15k, the trader is also has gone so much confident, so much greedy, his thoughts became very much bigger, and doesn't know, and slip to the wrong rail track, I should say. Track is wrong here. And this whole drama that I explained right now is happening right here inside the skull of a trader. Okay. Anyways, my friend, what type of stories I started to tell you. My friend, you know my nature of my strategy, I mean, okay. Nature of my strategy, you know. So, well, no doubt I took this beautiful buy trade opportunity, but the thing is, my friend, I'm too tired to look at the lower time frames today, honestly. Let's wait for this SL hit, then we see what further it gives us, but first I think it should hit my take profit. Yes, because it is standing at a very good level. Yes, good support area it is. For clever indication is good. Okay. Yes. Heading over to your chat, Michael Jones, waiting for structure at this level before entering buys. Great. Fantastic, my dear. I mean, more than fantastic. This word I like, waiting. I give you excellent. Michael Jones for gold. Yes, great. HK Wines, hello sir, good evening. Good evening, my dear friend. 8 people with me in the room. Come on, guys. Say something right here. I am finally stopped out, and if I honestly tell you one more thing about myself, I am on a losing streak. Let's talk about that as well. 1000 grown to how much? 1450. Then I get a little bit overconfident and I took till at this stage I used to trade 0.01 and 0.02. Right here I increased my lot size, so after that obviously that psychology shift occurred little bit. So obviously my friend, I'm also a human being. 11:30 somewhere it go and dropped. Okay, I didn't get revengeful at any of the level. Okay, I was sure about the structure. Then from 11:30 it reaches to 1660. Okay, and then it reaches to from there to the all-time high of $2250. And right now I am back on let's make a full stop right here. Okay, yes, so I am currently how much 1700, around 1700 again. So technically speaking, I am on a tiny bit of a losing streak right here. Okay, on gold. That Friday late night trade I show you that hit then the SL. Okay, so yeah, my friend, woo candle. Can this woo candle survive? Well, pressure is very strong, my friend, and strongly suggest this 912 pips up move today. A very sharp up move it can be. But let's see. Okay. Maybe the whole session it just go up and up and up. I want to ask you, did you guys check out the recorded videos on the market structure? Whatever I am teaching there, I am practicing it right here. Simple. Now if anyone want it difficult, if they feel it difficult, may contact me on Zoom session. I will make a customized strategy for that trader as per his or her personality that suits him her. Simple. Otherwise, from my side, this market structure strategy is working more than beautiful and more than nice, I should say. SLs are hit, and you will remember that 1000 pips of negative trade that I took on gold. So then most traders say, oh, this person doesn't understand trading and he's just trading and lost and let's unsubscribe. And honestly, I was happy those people unsubscribed me. Why? Because I don't like that type of an audience. Remember, I'm a very straightforward person if I tell you. Okay? I'm not running here like a business or something just like others. I'm right here just practicing my strategy. And it's consistently working in front of all of you. It has grown the account to 2250 in 2 months. I have strategies where you can bet, but those are a little bit gambling strategies. If one want, out of the crowd, if anyone is watching or anyone is fond of gambling strategy, but that is gambling, okay? That is, you will not be able to consistently make profit with that. A trade per month you can get, but like you will then be not able to wait for 1 month for one trade. So that's why it will be not working for you. My friends, today I took Panadol CF. I had this bad headache. Oh, I cannot tell you how much. I cannot explain. Volume is getting increased, my friends. Okay. Who is with me in the chat? Now see this bigger plan here. See this one. Where did I discuss that bigger plan? This one. Now one can say, if it is dropping till here, why Aftab you are buying right here? This is then that strategy thing that those then they doesn't understand the strategy. So far so good on even on the 30-minute. This 30-minute candle will make it clear for us. So I took Panadol CF and I'm like such sleepy I cannot tell you. But since now I'm relaxed, I can trade and I'm in trading. Where are you watching me from, everyone? I'm giving you a link, okay? I hope you will like it. This is a 10 years old video. You guys don't give the to do have some struggle to watch them, but anyways, I will myself give you this link, okay? Forex trading strategy. No, not this. No, I want to see the live streams. Here, the power of Fibonacci. You can save this video link with you, okay? Later, then watch or in a tab, open it, like it, or something. Do something so that you don't lose this link, okay? Let's see, play it a little bit.
Yes, Arvind, I am trying to open a WhatsApp group, but for 5 months. So can reply to as possible made. Now I don't know why
C 61.8.
is why I am drawing it from point A. But here is one more thing. You can see this trend line target, which is want support on 3 to retracement level thing pronunciation ABCD
22 September 2017. I live
ABCD
streamed this one. Bull is afraiding at this zone. Okay. Bull is properly afraid at this moment. Yes, absolutely. Richard Joshua, good day. This is a good stop loss, this one here. But on the intraday scale, well, I think this is not a good level, okay? Then we wait for another level. I will be waiting for the market to test 42.96 then in that case. So let's see, volume is very slow at this moment. Today is Monday anyways as well. Let's see how this one goes. There is no support actually. The main problem is this. Today we need a close above. Okay. We need H4 close above this zone. Then it will become properly bullish. But then there is a lot going on right here as well. This trend break to the top will then be telling us this one, you see, it is going for a retest. Why? Because now we have a swing low present in the market. So either it does this if it is a bearish one. If it closes above this as this on the H4, then there will be people trying to break this one, okay? And once it is broken, immediately this level will be retested and market will continue back to this area, okay? Understand it. This is one scenario. Simple, right? Either a retest and a rejection, several rejection from here, several rejection from here. Then we can say still it is bearish. Because 3730 we already discussed. Okay. But if it do this, then consider that it is going back up to sort of this level. Okay, this is that previous trend line retest level it will become. Clear? Further, for you guys, if one scalp, I hope whatever I draw on the chart will be helping you. In the NY session, 4360 remain a very key level with us. Okay, I will be right back. Now we have the plan ready for the NY session, so let's see what it gives us. Now, did you understand the gold structure? I hope you do. But maybe I think first this, okay? Retest of this level. Sort of. I mean, on a spike it can stop me out and then continue bullish, but I will not complain about it. Okay? The market is being this way, right? This market is this way, and it will be. My friend, if you think or if I think we will control it, we should forget this idea, because market cannot be controlled. We can understand it, we can learn its language, okay, but we cannot control it, we cannot. So like sometimes we don't know we are controlling the market, but actually we are controlling the market at that time. We are doing something that is beyond our reach. Haven't you seen yourself in revenge trading? Huh? Haven't seen yourself in taking a bad trade when you are greedy? Haven't seen you such situation when you make profit and is even enough for the whole week for you, but you say no, I want to make more money, and you give back from your pocket as well. Didn't you say you make profits the whole week, give back by the end of the week? Why they happens? Market makers know it, and you don't know yourself. So usually on my pro members I get tiny bit angry as well. So I have started that thing right here as well, because those who don't understand, I will be a little bit using my force, okay, because I am gonna make everyone who follow my journey with me, I'm gonna make them kung fu panda, I should say kung fu panda. This literally from 2 weeks there were levels on my charts, and if you see my previous live streams, each and every buy setup I gave, sell setup I gave, but everyone is afraid to trade them the right way. Wrong way everyone trade, right way very less people trade. Wrong way seems good to you. Okay, so anything that seems good to you, remember, that is a trap. There will be always a trap there. Haven't you seen when you start trading and when you understand the strategy and it start working for you 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, and then you get so much confident, all of a sudden it stop working. You say, oh, it was working, now why it is not working? Because you have not understood the market mood and the market sentiment. Now if one say I'm trading with a smart money concept, I say you need market structure first. You don't know market structure, you trade blindly. How do you know SMC is putting buy pressure or sell pressure? Because demand supply zones are everywhere. After which supply demand zone you will be running after, and for how long? So the early you guys understand it, the better it is for you. And most traders, if you fail 2 or 3 challenges, just for quit forex trading. It's not then in your reach. Honestly telling things I will be telling right here, okay? Because I'm not gonna polish things for you right here. Whatever is the reality, I'm presenting it for you. Later one follow them is their own advantage. Later those who don't follow them is their own disadvantage. On a SMC smart money concept, you need market structure. And then where will you get direction from? This is yet another. And then how will you be adding the candlesticks with it? Then how you will be combining different multiple time frames together? If one say I cannot do it, I say just don't do it at all. Take out your money, leave, run, start some other business or something. If one can say I want to stay, remain disciplined, nice, steady, fantastic, you will be passing your challenges and even you will not know. I have a lot of people right here, 2-3 people right here, a good majority who have passed their challenges. Even one out of you is sitting right here, the HK Wines 3837. He made 800 pips. So the basic purpose obviously is that these days this trading thing is hyped in such a way that it is even attracting the type of a trader for whom their father, grandfather, great father has no relation with forex at all. Those people come to me, their bags full of money, say open an account for us. I want to trade. You know what I do? I tell them, put this money with you. I put their money in their trunk. I say, let's have some cold drink. You came to my place. Let's have some cold drink. Go sit in your car and say goodbye. So those who listened to me in 2022 and 23, a lot of such people came to me, those who listened to me and didn't trade it. They are somewhere holding good businesses, some holding good service stations, some people having good clothing stores. But those who didn't listen to me and after I refused that you shouldn't be in the trading, they invested, lost all of them, and still they are not leaving me. They say, oh, please do it for us. I say, nah. See, this is a language, okay? If you understand English, I understand English, you will understand what I'm saying. Let's suppose you are someone you don't understand forex trading, you come to me, bring your money. I understand trading, you don't understand trading. The account go into, let's say, $100 of a loss drawdown. The one who doesn't understand will say, oh, you don't understand trading, why you take this trade, why you this, why you. Then how will I argue with them? Because that person doesn't understand. So remember, without understanding, never, 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 never. Yes, just to chit chat with me right here, you guys are always welcome. Okay. Panadol of worked okay. For 2 days I had such irritating type of tiny pain in my head. A tiny thread like pain, inside the skull. When you shake your head, you feel like a tiny thread of pain is inside. Like, that's too disturbing. Just like a false breakout is disturbing, such as that. Disturbing. Let's wait a little bit. If it is giving me one more opportunity to buy right here, I will buy. Okay. This is not a program for UK 100, but my friends, it moves so fast. Okay. It hit my original take profit zone, but later I moved it that up. So that's why it's doing this. Well, at least for now I should close it, okay? UK 100 with 154 pips. Yes, the one who leave the market early is fine. Though a good 700 pips it was supposed to be giving me, but anyways, it moves very very good. I these days also today I saw it on the London session. It was very good. 500 pips immediately it go in the London session. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. That's great, Joshua. Where you from? You tell me. Ice very high. Well, now I think on the 1 minute, let's see, it has gone bearish. From here, it has gone bearish. Okay. So hitting this SL is now nothing to in front of it. Good trade opportunity can be planned right here in this block area. Most ideally today if it dropped. Though when I was taking this position, my SL was a bit tight, a bit high. Right here, it makes sense. But that's way too much. Okay, so I'm happy with this much. Can give me plenty of profit today if works well. Wow, Liberia. Where is that, my friend? Liberia? Siberia or Liberia? Siberia is too cold, I guess. That other trade to the buy side I will be catching, okay? But let's see, let it come back down there. A lot of the levels then there are, okay? And a lot of the confusion it will be, so let's stay, okay? Just don't go. Pardon me guys, is it okay if I take a little bit as this? Those people who like comfort, Forex trading is for them. But yes, for that comfort you will have to become a disciplined trader. This is must. Who? A disciplined trader. What's in there in the Panadol CF, my friend? I'm like almost like seems like I'm dreaming. Some anti-allergic, I guess. Weather is changing right here. Okay guys, I took another buy as well. Let's see how this one goes. This one is just still here, okay? 57 pips with pretty much 1:1 it is, but not a proper patient one. Okay, a bit FOMO type of a trade. West Africa, great. That's a very beautiful place. Africa has a lot of the greenery, right? As like that wildlife, a lot of wildlife and on my strategy, my friend, gold and other any fast moving, they give fantastic profits. Come on, yes, hit the TP. But huge selling can also be possible. Stop move to break even. Risk management, I'm following. Yes, great. 57 pips coming. But perhaps maybe another drop. Let's see the 5 minute. Now my friend, on the 5 minute, this is bullish. Okay, this signal is bullish. Rest, we know that if it is good or not, but usually in such situations, for myself I treat it as this. Okay, strongly this. So time will decide, but I think yes, it is as this. Okay, it will be fun if it give me this 912 pips today, my friends. Oh, it will be fantastic. Seems very much promising. Seems very much promising. This, but then most of the time the promising things also doesn't work. We need to remain. And hey guys, please, here is a request. Make the increase the likes right now. Click the like button right now. Respect the mentor and you will be getting fantastic opportunities. This is my guarantee. This is my claim. This UK 100 plan I gave to my member today. Made $700 pounds with it. Was dancing. I said don't dance much, my friend. Wait a little bit, okay? Don't give it back to the market just by dancing. By dancing metaphorically right here, I mean like as if that person wanted to trade more. I said, oh, stop, my brother. What you are doing? Are you crazy? Stop here. Okay. So I sometimes later I am then upset on it on this, but I sometimes get a little bit serious with my members. I say, see, I'm also good. Okay, I'm also good. My headphone seems to be like Qurban today, but let's see. Uh, yes, I think so. But I tell them that my friends, you have paid me. At least come to the sessions. Don't run away. I will not be sitting right here for you every day. Monday till Friday are my sessions. So 5 days in a week I sit for you. If I get a member, I decide that okay, in 3 months, this time I'm not going to give it to anyone because Monday till Friday at this time I have this dedication. So then I sit for them. Some people come 20 minutes late. Some people come 30 minutes late. My friend, what you are doing? Be punctual. Those who remain punctual are the best traders, the best people they are. It couldn't continue higher, okay? Yes, again, seems like they are out of fuel now. Once again, Richard, what you say? It's a message retracted. Just 3 minutes left. We are going to enter into high volume time. So let's see what that brings to us. Do you see this area right here? This one. See this bearish trend on the 5 minute. Started as a breakout as this, and bulls appeared, couldn't sustain, came back down, took a retest, fine, came back down, 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 down. Here. Till at this price point, that was what? Bearish. When this level was broken, it become bullish, but then came back down, stopped out all of the bulls. Unfortunately, one of those bulls was me as well, and is now doing this, preparing to break this particular zone. So whenever it break it on the 5 minute, this will be a separate opportunity as this. But when it comes to understanding, few people understand it. Okay, let me also tell you this. Very few people understand it. Few people. So those are the good traders who really try to understand these things. Those who just quickly see, okay, this is this and leave. If they make a single dollar in this market, change my name. No, not possible at all. We are crazy. We are giving ourselves this much big headache, huh? We are crazy. We are mad, or like we are got bitten by a crazy dog. What you are saying, my friend? If this is that easy, no. This is not that easy. I say either don't do a thing, either don't start anything. But then I say if you decided to start something, then do it the professional way, the right way. Obviously, if you want to drive a car or drive or ride or be a pilot, let's say you want to fly a plane, you will need to become a pilot first. Nicely moving it is till now so far, but let's see. I mean, NY session opened, but the volume is also like, I mean, this will be a miracle if I can make a profit of with a stop loss of 123 pips. If I can make 912 pips, wow, live, that will be a very good record live. But let's see, it should do it, because today I don't think so. I mean, we have nothing, so from where the sellers will be appearing, huh? From where the sellers will be coming, huh? We obviously need to understand it, that let's say even if it is breaking, how it will be breaking, huh? how how it will be breaking? Obviously it will be making some sort of pattern right here. So is that pattern there? Well, sort of a pattern is here, but we need to find out that it is valid or not. Okay, so from right here till up there, well, now till now so far, but yes, I think yes, sort of pattern it is, but it is not able to break the neckline, this area. But I mean, bulls are angry since Friday, and since even the previous week and the week before that. So reaction was expected strong, but the reaction didn't came. So let's see that how then the volume will be playing around. Volume appeared okay. It dropped too much since 17th April 2026 till 28th May 2026. So till August will be the recovery, then in August is the Jackson Hole Symposium. Then till then, this week we have CPI data as well, and then maybe the FED may hike the interest rate instead of cutting off. So then situations will be different. Jackson Hole Symposium is coming. and 1 year will be completed of that biggest trade on the gold of the year. Is struggling to break this level but is unable to. So if it is struggling right here, what it is going to do right here? This is yet another question, and such questions will be arising in our minds. Let's see, this one should sustain. Breakout has occurred from that tiny zone, but I need for myself a biggest breakout. Then I will properly enjoy the trade till there. Okay, till there. I will become too much happy if it happens today. Wow. And even I don't think so this much market can move in advance. Well, we cannot say. But I mean effortlessly 100 pips I'm getting from it. 155 pips I made from the UK 100. Wow, this one go to 107. Market can be extremely, let it close above this level. 44.25. Okay, this much it is, whether my SL survive or not survive, but at least this much it is showing me. Let's wait to see a close above this. Because of strong liquidity come from there, it will just stop me out, and then I will be adding a fresh buy from here somewhere. But even there is also a possibility liquidity comes from there. Okay, and it is stopped right here and is being taken over further. See, wait a little bit, further candles. Once the market print, we will know a lot of the things. Patience, my friends. Patience is going to change your life forever. And how patience comes from peace. Try to find out, are you peaceful when you trade, or are you stressful? If you are stressful, try to find out different methods for peace. More educational video coming on this topic when I will be discussing the trading psychology. Right now I'm uploading the market structure educational videos for you. So once these videos complete, then right after them I will be. So make sure to properly follow that playlist. Hey Marcos, how are you dear my friend? Richard Dawson, or the best pair to trade is US 2000 and US Tech. Well, yes, okay. US Tech chart is slightly. I want something in the London session. UK 100 fits there. I'm mostly free at that time. So I say, okay, I will be making some part-time profits there from the UK 100. And especially on the days when I'm uncertain on gold. See, this level became a headache. Uh, uh, This much weaker the bulls are. H4 closing, so it will decide. This level I am hesitating of slightly. I get a message yesterday and the person said, "Sir, I am so much jealous from you." I said, "Why?" He said, "Because you make profit, I don't make profit." And then he asked about, first he called me directly on my phone. And then also at the middle of the night. Maybe he didn't knew, but please, when I get a call, if I get it during the daytime is good. So when I spent 30 minutes on call and later said the person said, "Oh sir, I cannot join you, I have no money." My friend, think first if you have money to join or not, then disturb someone. And yes, if one think I should give my time free of cost on Zoom as well, do let me know in the chat. Maybe today I think this much, okay? Wow, NZD/USD, I missed my buy area. Yesterday I explained dollar index strategy. Make sure to check out that video. And if anyone can, keep support the channel in the form of super chats. Yes, this is much required from you. Keep your favorite service, keep going on, keep going, keep it alive, keep these live streams alive. Then I will say you are my disciplined traders. This pattern is for a sell, this 1 minute. Very fast market it is today. Wow, beautiful comeback from the bulls side. So as I said, this will be there. Yes, this one played out. Ideally it should continue now, but if it doesn't, then this is always there. It's coming after liquidity, okay? Bulls are trapped, this is what I think. 43, 60, 49 somewhere. If a sell is confirmed, I am selling then. But I mean, for the seller, this is a matter of one game. A game of one candle. A matter of one candle. 400 pips of a candle they can print if big volume sellers come in. On the price action, till at this price point we still have a lot of margin. The next H4 candle can come back down, take the retest of the previous candle. So 3 minutes we have, and then maybe a strong rally. Okay, bull trap has already occurred. So then I will try to quickly grab some pips to the sell side of the market as well. In that case, okay, first let's see what it behaves, how it behaves. Immediately it can crash as well to the top, explode, I mean. Okay, all. I'm leaving. Okay, we will meet some other time. I've closed the sell. Okay, and for the week I'm like I have no other choice but to hold it as this. I'll catch you later on this trade. Okay, take care.